In this video tutorial, you can learn how to set up PayPal customized payment link in your Instagram. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. This is a two-process video. First process or step is to set up PayPal.me customized PayPal profile link with PayPal account. Second process is to add the customized PayPal profile link in Instagram account to receive payments from clients or customers on Instagram. Please find video tutorial to set up customized PayPal profile link below this video in the description section. Second process is to add the customized PayPal profile link in Instagram account. In your Instagram account, click the profile icon in the bottom. And next, click Edit Profile tab on this screen. Next, in Website field on the profile page, enter the customized profile link we created in PayPal account. Click the tick mark and save the changes done to Instagram profile. You can see here the customized PayPal profile link is added on Instagram. Customers and clients who wish to avail goods or services from you can directly pay you with this link. So let's see how it works. On clicking, the visitors will be taken to the PayPal profile link. They can enter the payment amount here and click Next, where they will be taken to the PayPal account and make payment. And done. No hassle in giving all the PayPal email or bank details. With just the PayPal profile link, customers can make payment. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.